What are the top 5 foods that you recommend for athletes?
Foods, I'm going to say foods and slash nutrients.
Nutrients.
Number one, I mean, just because we just talked about it, I think it's incredibly important to get a great night's sleep. So the number one nutrient I recommend is my Relax formula. My Relax formula has zinc, it has magnesium, it has L-theanine, it has some B vitamins, vitamin C, and it has holy basil magnolia to help support the adrenals and lower cortisol. That's number one. Number two, I love glutamine, and I love branched chain amino acids to help their body repair as far as muscle recovery. Number three, you know I'm a big fan of D-ribose. D-ribose is a 5-carbon sugar that helps make our ATP. So basically, we know if you're driving a car, you need gasoline. Well, if you want energy in our body comes in a source of something called ATP. To build ATP, not only do we need carbohydrates and proteins and fats, but we need something called ribose. So if we can take D-ribose and put it into our body, we immediately get this huge energy source, and it allows our body to heal better, recover faster. It gives us more energy during our workouts, and it helps us reduce lactic acid and some of that post-muscle workout soreness. So the Sleep formula, branched chain aminos, glutamine, and D-ribose. And the fifth thing is I always like a probiotic. Probiotics are one of the most under-recommended things to athletes because athletes are looking more at protein and muscle synthesis, which my other formulas I was talking about as well. But the probiotic allows all those other things you're taking, all the food you're eating, to be digested properly. If your digestion's off, if you're not absorbing all these nutrients you're taking, then you're basically just flushing them out. So you want to make sure your digestion's really efficient, really optimal. The probiotic is not only important for nutrient absorption, it's great for your immune system. So if you're working out super hard and you're kind of taxing your immune system, you want to make sure that your probiotic or your normal bacteria are at a good level so that your immune system's strong, you're not getting sick, you're able to repair and recover faster, you're absorbing all your nutrients. So those would be my 5 supplements. But when it comes to food, it's the essentials. I mean, there's certain food that we need every day. Essential fats. Now, if you're a vegan, you could use walnuts and ground flaxseed. If you're not, you could eat fish. Essential protein. So whether, again, chicken, grass-fed meat, or fish again, nuts, seeds. You know, you want to make sure you're getting all your essential fats, all your essential proteins, and if you're going to have some complex carbs to kind of rebuild and nourish your glycogen back in your body so you can have better workouts, I like sweet potatoes, lots of fruits and vegetables for antioxidants, you know, the normal healthy foods like that.